Welcome to BMAK Auctions. Today we have a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. The airbag light is on. Oil pressure is reading high. There's a rattle noise heard from under the vehicle. Brake pedal pulsation. The steering wheel is off center. Groaning noise can be heard in 4 high mode. AC does not work. Burn odor. Possible fluid leaks. We do have scratches, scrapes, and dents on all exterior panels. Other than that, the vehicle drives good. We do have some heavy scratches here on the hood. Be sure to review the gallery for more blemish shots. See, we're missing the driver mirror cover. The interior is clean. Looks like it was just detailed. Average wear on all interior panels. See the wear here on the driver's leather seat. Be sure to read the full report. Thanks and good luck bidding.